heart attacks, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, what's up, my name is Jaclyn. Welcome to my channel. Yes, welcome to my world. So glad you could be here. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you know anytime I upload a video. Right then, I know audition season is still among us. I wanted to give you more ideas of things you can wear. You can really dive into your imagination and just create something so unique. This video is sponsored by Sparkles Rhinestones, an online store where you can go and buy all of the rhinestones that you want for a low price. And the rhinestones are real nice quality. I mean, I've used them so many times. I highly recommend them, especially if you're going to be using something for your solo audition that's going to need a lot of rhinestones. I'm just gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna show you guys how I created this gorgeous, beautiful outfit. If you have the time, go to your local Victoria's Secret, check out the tops that they've got, or bras. I mean, they look more like tops nowadays than they do like bras, and I feel like that is such a great alternative to creating something super special and unique. First thing that I did was I sewed the shorts shorter in the front to the way I wanted them. I went more in depth in this in my DIY audition video, and I can link that down below. Okay, now the fun part, we're shopping in Hobby Lobby. I love all the fabrics that they have here. They're just so gorgeous. So I saw this one and it kind of gave me some really good idea feels. And then I went to the other side looking at all of the jewels and stuff. Man, Hobby Lobby has really stepped up their game. I'm so impressed. I mean, with all of the beading and the jewels and the embroidery, I mean, the sky is the limit, people. Let's get creative. I love this one. This one reminded me of the Beyonce white outfit that she wore in one of her concerts. I definitely have to do something with this later. And now for the goods. So I have my Victoria's Secret bra, and I found this glittery see-through fabric, which was perfect. I was planning on putting that on the side of the shorts here, and then I thought about using these as armbands or something. I safety pinned the fabric onto my shorts, and then I put them on, and that's how I started sewing them. So I didn't have to stretch them all the way because I knew how they were going to fit as I was sewing them. This is what it looks like on the inside before I cut. Avoiding the waistband, I'm cutting around where I sewed, so that's technically my new inseam because I want that to be completely see-through. Oh my god, I love the way these turned out. I would totally wear these shorts just like this. Oh my god, it's just such a mood. So at this point in the game, I'm just going to be rhinestoning my life away. Anytime you see SS, that stands for stone size, and this is a list of all of the stone sizes that were in the multi-size stone set. Good lord, that's a lot of S's. For the first time, I tried E6000 glue, and I am pleasantly surprised that I prefer this over the hot glue gun. I don't burn myself, and I think that it works much better. Got all my Hotfix stones. This is all that I have left. When you have hot fixed rhinestones, it's so much easier to use this tool than, where'd it go? Where's my glue gun? Than a glue gun, because it comes with all of these different sizes, and what it does is it's heating this rod, and you basically just take a hot fixed stone. See, it's got the glue right there on the back. You're basically taking the tool and pressing it firmly on the stone, just enough to where the glue starts to melt and sticks onto the fabric. And just repeat this a gajillion more times. But be careful because this rod does get really hot really fast. Look, I got A's. A. I'm A. So this centerpiece, I actually didn't end up working out. It was just too much fabric and too many bedazzle ideas, and I just ended up cutting it out altogether, and I think it really made a big difference here. This is how I measured out my armband. I put it on me and I kind of placed it all the way down to my fingers, and then I cut to where I wanted it to be, and then I basically just took it inside out and pinned it everywhere to where the size of my arm is, from like the thickest part to the smallest part of my wrist, and then I just sewed it from there. I used this material for the top of the armband and the wrist cuff, and I sewed it in and out, in and out. Super easy. Now this is where I got a little stuck. I couldn't decide if I wanted it long or short because I didn't want to hide all the bling bling on the sides, so I was super indecisive here. But not about petting my Shasta. Here's what it looked like before. was like what I was gonna come up with, I was just kind of like, okay, this is the top that I want. I need some shorts. Let me just get these shorts together. And then whatever extra materials I had, I kind of just like, okay, well, I want an arm thing, or I want something on my arm. So I kind of just had to play with it a lot. So that's why this outfit took me a long time, because I couldn't decide on where I wanted to take this outfit. The shorts, I would say, would probably be my favorite, just because I love this see-through like black material. I'm actually kind of impressed with this, because like I did not think that this was gonna work, because it's just like, it's non-stretchy, like see-through, like just embroidery kind of. And the fact that I was able to sew it to the shorts and it still be nice and stretchy and like fits me like perfect, like I love that. So good luck to everybody auditioning in the next couple months. I hope you guys got some nice tips and tricks, and maybe get the creative juices flowing and give you guys some good ideas. So hit the thumbs up if you guys like this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I will check you guys in my next video. Bye!